Hello children, welcome again. Today we will start a new chapter from geography. That is, already geography, yes? Is that no children? In Tamil we can say Puviyal, yes? Geography in first lesson. Take your book. All of you take your book. Have you completed your classwork and homework? History lessons? Completed. Very good. Okay, now take your page 113. Hundred and 13. First lesson. All around us. All around us. What is around us? What have? Environment. Yes. Suற்றுச்சூழல். Yes, children. Do you know we have surrounding in which we are living? Yes. All the condition that surround us has affect our living. This condition or surrounding, what we say? What children? Environment. This environment word came from French word. Environner means neighborhood. பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிறது. Okay, சுற்றுச்சூழல். Okay. Environment means what? What children? What's the condition and surrounding under which we live and carry out our activities? சுழல் நம்பது நம்மை விட்டு சென்று எங்கள் செயல்பாடுகளை செய்யும் நிலைமைகள் மற்றும் சுற்றுப்புறங்களை குறிக்கிறது. நம்முடைய சுற்றுப்புறத்திலுள்ள செய்கைகளை காமிக்கிறது என்னது சொல்றோம் நம்ம? என்விரான்மெண்ட். ஓகே, இட் இஸ் a combination of physical as well as human components, that is land, water, air and other natural resource. Natural resource means water. Whatever we are getting from the natural, yes, water, you can produce that one. No, it is a natural, yes. Air, we can produce air? No, that is a natural. Is that no children? Life is impossible without them. Without land, without water, without air, we cannot be live in this world. It is very impossible. Without them we cannot be live. The human environment. See, environment we have two. One is natural environment, human environment. Natural environment means water, land, water, air and other natural resource. Human environment, man-made, social, human. Social means all, mottama. Seri, okay va? See, natural environment means what I said. Whatever we are getting from the natural, that is natural environment. Okay, children? Human environment, that is the human factors, whatever the human can do. He have one family, yes, a place of work, neighbor, community, religion. These all of parts also called environment as a man-made. Okay, what children? Okay, children, can you understand that one? What is the difference of natural environment and human environment? நேச்சுரா கிடைக்கிறது நேச்சுரல் என்வரன்மெண்ட், மனுஷனா உருவாக்குறது. ஒரு குடும்பம், ஒரு ஆஃபீஸு, ஒரு ரிலிஜியனு, ஒரு கம்யூனிட்டி, அவங்களோட பிளேஸ் ஆஃப் ஒர்க், அவங்க வேலை பார்க்குற இடங்கள், இதெல்லாம் மனிதனே உருவாக்குறான். அதை நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? ஹியூமன் என்வரன்மெண்ட். ஓகே, மேபி ஐ திங்க் யூ ஆர் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். எஸ், see, in the other parts, in the other words, people, place and things that surround us make up only of the environment. Environment consists two things. One is biotic, another one is abiotic things. Biotic means what? That is, what is the living things constitute of living things organism, that is biotic, like human beings, plants, animals and other organism. Trees, grass, bacteria, moss, mold, animal, any animals, any humans, yes, any plants, this all have a living, this all a living things. இதுக்கெல்லாம் உயிர் இருக்குது. அதை நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? Biotic things. Biotic things. Abiotic things means what? What are the non-living elements like land, water, man-made structures? That is a abiotic things. This both things coexist in the environment. Abiotic means wind, that is non-living, yes. Water, sunlight, humidity, climate, temperature, this all we can say as a abiotic. Very good things. Now we are going to see the natural environment. Natural environment. It have four spheres. See, in this picture, four spheres are there. One is lithosphere, biosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere. Yes, lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. Litho means what? What is litho? Litho means it is derived from the Greek word. The litho meaning is rock. Litho meaning is rock. Okay. The lithosphere is the outer layer of the earth. பூமியில் உள்ள வெளிப்பாகம். Okay. அது எப்படி இருக்குமா? It consists of the land masses and ocean beds. It is made of rocks and soil. Some தாதுக்களாலையும் என்ன செஞ்சிருக்கும்? நிறைஞ்சிருக்கும். சரியா? This earth is made of 3 layers. எர்த்துடைய வெளிப்பாகம் தான் என்னது? லித்தோஸ்பியர் சொன்னேன். அந்த எர்த்தே எத்தனை விதத்துல இருக்குதா? எத்தனை லேயர்ல இருக்குது? How many layers, children? 3 layers. Crust, mantle, core. Now we are going to see the crust. Crust, it is the outermost solid part. It is a outermost solid part. But its thickness is under continents how much? 35 kilometers, and oceans is a 5 kilometer. Okay, இது மேலோடுன்னு சொல்லுவோம். பூமியில் உள்ள மேலோட தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? crust. What we say? crust. Mantle, it lies immediately below the crust. First crust இருக்கும் மேல் மட்டமா, கீழ என்னது இருக்குது? mantle. mantle என்னது? கையற்ற மேலாடை. Okay, this is a layer of medium density material. Okay. Third is, what is that? Core. What is that? Core. It is the innermost part of the earth. இது பூமிக்குள்ள, innermost, inside. Okay. The outer core is made, இது பூமிக்குள்ள உள்ள இருக்கும், அதுக்கு வெளியே என்ன இருக்குதான்? Eternity of molten metal. உருகிய உலகம், உலோகம். Okay, உலோகம், உலோகம். It's a molten metal. And inner core is a solid ball of iron and nickel. Nickel also one of the வெள்ளை உலோகம், வெள்ளை உலோகம். Okay, now we are going to see the atmosphere. I hope you are understand the lithosphere. Yes, now we are going to see the atmosphere. What we going to see? Atmosphere, the thin blanket of air surrounding the earth from all the sides is called atmosphere. Yes, உலக பூமியை சுத்தி காற்று மண்டலங்கள் ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். அது நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? அட்மாஸ்பியர். The earth gravity helps to retain its atmosphere. This atmosphere is a mixture of gases. How it will mixtures? Which gases is there? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and dust particles. These components in the atmosphere makes the earth as a unique planet in the solar system. In the solar system. See, if we are living in this earth, yes, we are living in the earth, yes, we want to breathe, yes, yes or no? We are leaving the carbon dioxide, we are getting oxygen, yes. Where we are getting? It is all surrounding us only, but we cannot be see, yes, that all the gases in the earth we can say atmosphere. So oxygen gives life and helps in the growth of living organism on the earth. Yes, plants are leaving carbon dioxide from the air, you inhale water, oxygen. But we, what do you doing? We are, yes, we are leaving carbon dioxide, but we are getting what, ma? Oxygen. Yes, the atmosphere also consists of nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Nitrogen gives nutrition planets and other organisms on the earth. Dust particles and water droplets also present in the atmosphere. காற்றில் கலந்திருக்கல நீர் துளிகள் இருக்குது. அப்படித்தனமா dust particles இருக்கா இல்லையா? இருக்கு. The water droplets, what is happening? It will join to form and it give us a rain. It give us a rain. See, if you close your eyes tightly for a few seconds, you can breathe. No, you cannot be take a deep breath. Yes, so that is the matter. Air, we are surrounding, we have a air. Okay, now we are going to see the hydrosphere. Hydro means what? It is a water. It is a water. The hydrosphere covers nearly 3/4 of the earth water. See, 97% of water is a salt water. 4 பாகத்துல 3 பாகம் என்னதான் இருக்குது? தண்ணி தான் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன், அப்படிதானே? As a ocean, river, lakes, ponds, well, yes. But in that water, we have 97% of water is salt, 3% is a fresh water. Yes or no, children? Slightly over 2/3 of the fresh water is frozen or glacier or ice cubes. இப்படிதான் என்ன செய்யுது? தண்ணி வகைகள் இருக்குது, அப்படிதான். ஒன்று பனிக்கட்டியாவோ இல்லை உப்பு தண்ணியாவோ இல்லைன்னா அது என்னதான் இருக்குது? கியூபா என்ன செய்யுது? ஐஸ் கியூபா இருக்குது, அப்படிதானே? பட் வாட்டர் இஸ் தட் ஒன் ஆஃப் த எசென்ஷியல் ஃபார் அஸ். எஸ் ஆர் நோ சில்ட்ரன்? எஸ், இட் ஃபார் ஆல் த லிவிங் திங் ஆர்கனிசம் வி நீட் வாட்டர். Plants need water to make food and grow. Yes, for man also we want water. We want a utilized water. Yes, because man consumes for drinking, washing, yes, cooking. Yes, without water we cannot be live. Yes, children. In the sea, if you go, the fishes, shrimps, lobsters, all they need what? Water. From the water also we can produce the electricity. When the water is flowing, fast running water. Okay, flowing means fast running water from the evaluated areas is harsh to generate the electricity harnessed. So this we can say hydroelectricity. Yes, children? Is or no? Yes. Biosphere. We saw lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere. Now we are going to see the biosphere. Okay. Bio means what? What, children? Say what? Bio means what? That is life. Okay. When lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere overlap in such of the way, it supports life. That we say biosphere. The various elements of biosphere interact each other to support the plant and animal. See this picture. In the middle, biosphere is there. Without hydrosphere, without atmosphere, without lithosphere, this biosphere cannot be what? These all things, if it is there, means the biosphere can help to support the plant and animal life. Yes, children? Yes. Ecosystem. See, ecosystem means what? The plants and animals in any area living together with non-living components of the environment such as the soil, water, air. It is called ecosystem. ஒரு செடியோ ஒரு மிருகமோ நான் லிவிங் திங்ஸ், அதான் மண், தண்ணி, எண்ணெய், இதெல்லாம் சாரி எண்ணெய் இல்லை, சாரி ஏர், காற்று கூட இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா, லிவிங் திங்ஸும் நான் லிவிங் திங்ஸும் சேர்ந்து அது ஒர்க் ஆகுது அப்படின்னா நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம்? எக்கோ சிஸ்டம். ஓகே. வித் இன் த சாயில் the tree can be grow. Yes, in the tree is one of the living things. In the tree some birds are living. Yes, they are breathing the air. That animals is drinking a water. Yes, that is a ecosystem. We can say ecosystem. This ecosystem is basically coexistent of biotic and abiotic. Okay. It is divided by the two types. What is that? Natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. What is natural ecosystem? The natural ecosystem is one which occurrently natural. It can be further classified on the land and aquatic ecosystem. Natural ecosystem என்னது? லேண்டு. அது வந்து உயிர் கிடையாது, அப்படிதானே? ஆனால் தண்ணி, வாட்டர் பாடிஸ், அதுக்கும் உயிர் கிடையாது. ஆனால் அதுக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்குது? ஃபிஷ் இருக்கு. எஸ், லேண்ட் இஸ் தேர், வாட்டர் இஸ் தேர், they don't have any life, but inside that water fish is there. Yes, that is we can say ecosystem. Okay. Then artificial ecosystem means what? That is man-made ecosystem. மனுஷனா உருவாக்குறது artificial. இப்போ மீன் பாக்ஸ், அப்படிதான் ஃபிஷ் பாக்ஸ் வச்சுருப்போம் வீட்டில், அப்படிதான் நம்ம அக்யூரியம் வச்சுருப்போம். In that one water is there, but man is put inside the some food and man is put the keep the water fish. That is artificial. Now you can understand what we are studied. What is environment? What is atmosphere? What is lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, ecosystem? Yes. Now, we are going to see the earth. See, earth is the blue planet, yes. Is a 3/4, I said, water is there, yes. The blue color, what is that? That is a ocean. Okay. And the atmosphere with moisture. Atmosphere. So, this earth we are saying what? Blue planet. What we can say? Blue planet. See, simple food chain. Simple food chain. Various food chains and food webs are found in ecosystem. Okay. This is independence, not dependence. It is a dependence of one organism upon another and flow of energy from a planet to an animals, and from that animal to another animal is called a food chain. இந்த புல்லுல இருந்து மிருகத்துக்கு எனர்ஜி கிடைக்கும், அப்படிதானே? இந்த புல்லை சாப்பிடும்போது when this deer eats grass, it gets some energy, yes, from the planet, yes. If this tiger eats this deer, he gets some energy, he get a flow some of energy to the tiger, yes. This we can say a food chain, yes children, is one of the interlinked food chains. See, in this also another examples also given, yes. If it you will notice that deer can also be eaten by a lion and grass also consumed by a cow. The pulla vandu this grass eaten by cow or deer, yes or no? Yes. This cow can be eaten by the lion or tiger, or tiger can eat deer, yes. So when the tiger eats the deer, the further passes all the things that energy will be go to that one, yes. From this grass, that energy coming from sun, இதுக்கு எங்க இருந்து எனர்ஜி கிடைக்குது? கிராஸுக்கு, புல்லுக்கு சூரியன்ல இருந்து கிடைக்குது. இந்த புல்ல மாடு சாப்பிடுறது, மாடை சிங்கமோ புலியோ சாப்பிடுது, அப்படிதானமா? இதுக்குள்ள எனர்ஜி என்ன செய்யுது? அதுக்கு போயிடும், எஸ். This biosphere gives us food and fulfills our energy needs. Okay, these various types of food chains connect to form food webs. Okay children, maybe I think you are understand. I hope you are understand. Yes children? Okay, good. Now take your classwork notes. Write heading, geography, no need to divide it. Continues, you can write history, first lesson we finish, but you write heading, geography, first lesson, all around us. Answer the following questions in brief. What do you mean by environment? See the note and write. Environment, water, which we live and carry out our activities. It's a combination of physical as well as human components, yes. Take your pen and write. Write the date and day. Okay, always you want to write the date and day. Okay children? Write neatly. Write it neatly, children. I hope you are writing well, yes? I give the time for you. What is lithosphere? That is the outer layer, yes? Yes. And ocean beds is made of rocks and soil. What is an ecosystem? What is ecosystem? Biotic and abiotic components is a coexistent is called a ecosystem, yes? Write neatly. I'll give the time for you, write. What do you understand by man-made environment? I said, what is created by man himself? That is man-made environment. Yes? Yes. Now take your homework page. Write filling the blanks. The earth is made of dash main layers. How many layers, children? Think and write, okay? The dash lies immediately below the crust. Oxygen is present only in the dash atmosphere. The earth is known as the dash planet. Fifth one. Mars also has a thin layer, mainly dash of carbon dioxide. Right, children? Did you submit the previous homework? You have to submit, okay? All the children sent to me. Very good. Some children were not sending, okay? Send, that is good for you. Okay, children, we will meet with next lesson, part 2. Geography first lesson, part 2 in next video, okay? Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.